Full-size Hero 11 doing some weird stuff. Red light is stuck on after charging, but unlike the Mini 11 that freezes on charging, I can actually push the button and record. And the red light blinked. Now it's solid again. It should be blinking. Turn it off. The red light's gone now. First time I did it, it didn't go. Uh-oh. I chipped the screen a little bit. Anyway, weirdness. Still better than the Mini 11 though. I really like my full-size 11. Very happy with this camera. What's your favorite action camera? Have you got the 12? Is it worth the upgrade? When this one kicks the bucket, it will be.